Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Aries, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aries, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this gentle energy, Aries. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Hangman in reverse, Empress in reverse, and Eight of Pentacles. So, Aries, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in this relationship, you are someone who is working really hard. You are determined, dedicated to whatever you do. You have that focus, hard work, and you are a very skilled and talented person. So, in your circumstances today, maybe you are trying to do your best, devoted to your work circumstances, trying to work really hard to see the results you want to see today in your life. And maybe, Aries, all that hard work you are doing is going to pay you off. So you are going to see some positive changes today in your life. So whatever was not clear, maybe the, when you're making some choices, or if you are making some choices, you don't know what way to go. Maybe you are seeing some failures in some path, but today you have some kind of clarity reaching you. So in your relationship also, Aries, things are changing. Maybe your patience, the way you were, the way you trusted this person, the way you waited for them, it's giving you the light and truth you need today. So maybe this person is coming to tell you something important. Maybe the reason for the way things were. Maybe there were a few troubles in this relationship. You had a difficult time adjusting to this person, or they were having a difficult time adjusting to you. But whatever the reason was, they are going to reveal it to you today. So you are going to get that clarity, some kind of understanding, the reason for the way this person was. And maybe for some of you, this person was, they were worried about themselves, maybe their career. So they had their own ambitions, or they needed to do certain things that would have been the reason the way things went. That was the reason they were not paying enough attention to you. They were quite aloof because they had a lot of things on their mind. But today, all their circumstances have resolved. They are seeing clarity and they are seeing better changes today in their life. Maybe in their work, some better changes, or it may be because of those work pressures, they were quite troubled and they were quite worried and they were not focusing on this relationship. But today, they are changing and things are changing for the better, guys. That is what I see. Maybe they have all their attention on you today, Aries. So it may be your energy towards them or their energy towards you. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it's Queen of Wands. So this relationship is moving towards something deep, something uh, what to say, strong. You have a strong bond, a good understanding, and maybe this connection may even move towards marriage or commitment. And you both love each other and you both respect each other's dreams and goals, whatever you have. So some kind of understanding is blooming in this connection, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstances. We picked one card. We will see what it is. And it is Eight of Swords. So a lot of confusions are there in your work circumstances, maybe some delays, suspensions, and things are not going as expected. Maybe you are working hard, trying to do your best, but there are people tarnishing your name in your career, maybe for something that failed before. Maybe some projects you were involved in, you would have seen some failures in the past, and that may be the reason people are talking behind you, they are gossiping about you. But whatever it is, Aries, all your hard work will definitely pay off, guys, because with the previous cards we saw that you are making a lot of efforts. So that is the energy with these cards, Aries. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading, guys. That is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here for you all today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep the second card here. We will see what is the card. A leg up. So with this card, in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, it just means that you cannot go on like this anymore, and there are opportunities coming in your life, and if you need to embrace those opportunities, or if you need to do something better, you need help, you need that teamwork and interdependence. That is what this card means. So relationships do very well if we work together as a team. When you have people, when you have your person supporting you, and when you support them, it is going to be a very positive, meaningful connection, and you will be met with kindness and love. So maybe you are feeling really vulnerable, you want this person's ideas or suggestions on certain things. You need to ask for it, guys, because they will not know what is there deep down in your heart of hearts. So you need to voice out your request. Maybe you want help, or you want a guidance in something, or you want this person's decision on something, whatever it may be. You need to ask and you will get that help. And trust your circumstances, and you can go forward with this help. You can request their help. There is nothing wrong, guys, with interdependence and teamwork in a relationship. That is going to help you a lot, and this is that time, maybe that time for you to give up all your inhibition, maybe whatever is holding you back from asking. You need to give all that up and ask for help. That is this card's energy here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, a fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today in your circumstances you were concentrating too much on yourself, and maybe there is some argument or some kind of a confusion because you want something and this person wants something else, and you don't know what will happen next. So there is some kind of what to say, a lot of things are happening today, and you may feel really sensitive, emotional, and you need to understand whether think within yourself whether you were rushing towards some decisions or some choices, or whether you have been too harsh, too stubborn, holding on to something in this relationship, and maybe you are the reason for the way things are going the way they are today. So you need to come out of it, maybe, and you need to do it, what to say, with understanding. So whatever decisions or whatever, uh, maybe you're speaking something, you must not be influenced by how you feel emotionally, but to try to uh, go about any circumstances in a very balanced way. That is going to help you guys. And you, if you are interested in meditation, you can take that up. That is going to help you a lot today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, with these two cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.